Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1958 Chevrolet Impala, fuel injected 350. Super nice car. Power disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, Continental kit. Just a very cool car. Nicely done. One-year only body style, 58. Very desirable. Gotta love that Continental kit. Chip there. We do have the correct paint that will be touched up. Couple teeny little ones on the door edge. Again, we're gonna grab those. Find these at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Got the electric fans kicking in right now. Another small chip right there and there. They'll be touched up. Paint's nice. Chrome trim bright work. It's nice as well. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, fly into St. Louis International, Lambert International. They're one in the same airport. I think the mayor did break. We got a new one coming. Just a really cool, nice car. Very cool car. Again, pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Got great financing. Usually 10% down does the trick. You'll be driving. Great rates, great terms. The dual antennas. 1958 Impala, 1 year only. 1 year only. I'm gonna take this for a ride. But what a gorgeous car. Goodbye. If you can't make it out yourself and want to send an inspector, welcome inspections as well. We'll accommodate anybody. Take the car out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Pick up that phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. You'll find about 75 to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. And we're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. We have 3 warehouses full of classic cars. We do have fantastic financing options. You do have to have credit. Usually 10% down is the number. We do as a courtesy service. We can arrange transportation for any of these vehicles anywhere in the world. So, nothing but a thing. We do it all the time. More than happy to do it for you. This car. 1 year only body style, 1958 Impala. Disappoint. Love the red on red interior, the tritone interior. These are just cool cars. It's got the dummy spotlights. Shifts out fantastic. Again, pick up the phone. It's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark, Westport Auto Center. It's www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Love to hear from you. Pick up the phone. 1958 Impala, fuel injected. Westport Auto Center. Thanks for watching.